So I think this is the setup. So it's hard to do with one hand, but when you depress this, it'll allow you to bring the trigger up, and that's going to create tension on the wire. But what I find very weird, all right, so this sits here to hold it in place, this sits here to hold it in place, but there's this like channel, and it looks like the wire should go up it, but then it would have to double back on itself. It doesn't really make any sense to me. And it's weird to me that it just like sits on this plastic bit, where like that tensioner piece would be right here, which is that little moon shape. It's just weird. This is not how I would have designed this at all. And I'm not experienced with using these, so appreciate any advice. I'm probably gonna try putting it back together just like this. I'll mount the handle first, as the advice was, and then I guess try to stretch this through to the carb. Yeah, there she is. All right,